Are you hiding? I don't mean literally hiding, and maybe you don't even think that you're hiding, but there are different ways that people hide when you are in fear. The first way that you might be hiding is what you're putting on your body. You might be wearing subdued colors, black clothes. You might be wearing big clothes that kind of keep you hidden from the world because it's your safe cocoon, and being kind of seen and standing out might be a little bit scary. Number two, you might be hiding in your body language. Perhaps you are looking down. Your arms are folded. There are ways that you're closing yourself off. It could be in your conversations. Perhaps you are not saying much at all. You're just being a good audience and agreeing with everything, but you don't have a voice. You're not expressing who you are and what you want. So if that is you, and you know who you are, you need to come to my workshop in a series called Stop Hating Dating, How to Master a Great First Impression, so that you can get out into the world and attract people everywhere you go.